How to deposit on Prizepicks with a Mastercard or American Express. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Mastercard or American Express funds and deposit it into Prizepicks. So this is how you go about it. Of course, you cannot do so directly from Prizepicks. It's not as easy as that. So you have either a Visa or the PayPal option, but you are not able to do a Mastercard or American Express directly. So this is the way you do it. You go around now to PayPal and you'll have to have two PayPal accounts. The way you're going to do this is you are going to look for the payment request and you are going to make a payment request. So over here you can say, it says request money. You can go ahead, add the email address of your second PayPal account, and then you are going to send a payment request. Once you have sent a payment request, you will receive it into that inbox, and over here you can see it says pay now. Now once you tap on pay now, it'll take you through to this page, and basically from this page you will be able to log into your PayPal account and then you can make a payment. However, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to tap on pay without a PayPal account. And what this will basically do is it'll allow you to make this payment with a Mastercard or an American Express card. So what you're going to be doing then is making that payment with your Mastercard or American Express, and then once you go into Prizepicks and you want to add funds, you're going to choose PayPal. And that's how you can easily deposit money on Prizepicks with a Mastercard or an American Express card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome one. Cheers for now.